Welcome back to another Storyline Speedhack. In this quick tutorial, we're building on our Flipcard animation by adding a conditional trigger. This will allow us to reveal a message and a continue button only after all cards have been flipped. Perfect for guiding learners through interactive content. Let's jump in. In our previous tutorial, we added a flip animation to a card that triggers when clicked. In this video, we will continue the process from here. There are multiple ways to achieve this effect, but we're focusing on speed and efficiency rather than complex interactions. Instead of assigning triggers to each card individually, we'll streamline the process for a faster setup. Step 1. Duplicate the flip cards. Since we already created one flip card in the last tutorial, the fastest way to make more is to hold down Control or Command on Mac and drag the card. This instantly creates duplicates while copying both triggers and flip states, saving us time. Step 2. Add the message and continue button. Now, let's create a message and a continue button that will appear when all cards are flipped. Add a text box for the message and a button for navigation. Set their default state to hidden, so they're invisible at first. Optionally, you can also add an entry animation to make them smoothly appear when triggered. Step 3. Set the conditional trigger. Now for the key step, let's set up the conditional trigger that reveals the message and button. Create a new trigger to change the message's state to normal, visible. Add a condition, when all flip cards' state is flipped. Duplicate the trigger and change the rectangle to the continue button. This way you won't have to create the trigger from scratch. And that's it. Now, the message and button will only appear after all cards have been flipped. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into custom triggers for individual cards to create more advanced interactions. Let us know in the comments if you found this helpful.